Hey y'all, so I am back with another tutorial. What's up, y'all? I know I haven't had a tutorial in so long on like coloring hair, but yeah, I didn't put all the colors I used, but I think you can kind of see in the video. If you need it, just comment below and I'll just say it. But yeah, I'm doing a purple ombre. I saw a picture of this on Pinterest and I was like, I gotta do that. And you know, I need to step out of my comfort zone. I'm a whole hairstylist and I never freaking do anything other than black. So I'm like, alright, fine, I'm gonna do purple, whatever. I never did this before. Let's get started. So you know, you have your hot water, like everybody knows, self-explanatory. Now this is an old platinum wig that I'm using. I think it's like a year old, whatever. It doesn't matter. So now I'm just testing out the color to make sure that, sorry, it's mad loud. Yeah, so I'm testing out the color to make sure that it's the color that I want, the certain type of lavender to start the wig off, you know. I did run out of lavender dye, so you're gonna see me like mix a little two colors together. But yeah, y'all, coloring hair is just so tedious for me. Like, it's cool and fun, but I just rather not. As a whole hairstylist, I'd rather not, but I don't care. Like, I love coloring as far as like how the outcome, it's just the process. I'm tired, my arms hurt. But yeah, so now I'm just dipping and mixing it in. Like, it was really hard to get certain places, so I ended up going in and just, as you can see, dropping the freaking dye on the wig, which is a mistake. Do not do, please, because it will leave patches. Learn from my mistakes. I never do that on my clients' wigs, but for me, I don't really care to even have it perfect, especially for something that I'm not wearing longer than 2 days. So anyway, now I'm going in with the second color dye. This is more of a pinkish purple that I'm adding to the tones. I'm sorry, y'all. I wish I would have put it in the camera, but I didn't, so what can we do now? Yeah, so I'm mixing it up, and then I'm going to dip the wig in. And now I'm not going to fully, wait, did I fully get the roots? No, I think I was just trying to get the inside parts of the wig, you know, the parts I didn't get dyed. So now I'm really going in with more of that color, and I'm just dipping it as the ombre part. So this is the second part. So you have your base color, which is the lavender, and then now I have the purple, which is the transition color to my ombre, basically. Now I'm going in with a darker purple, and I'm going to dip that in too as my third color. Yes, my third color to my ombre color. And then I'm going in with the darkest purple, and I'm just going to get the ends. And it's going to give you this nice ombre effect. It's just, the wig came out so fire, y'all. So I decided to connect to my AirPods because, girl, the background noise was not it. So this is the finished look of the color. I did blow dry it. That's why it looks like this. And yeah, the color is so cute. Like, I've never done something like this before, so it was really exciting. I got a lot of attention. I'm going in with my wax stick. It's called the Fly Girl wax stick. It is available for purchase on my website, and I will put that link below. All my products I use on my website. I'm gonna have a separate video of me installing this wig. It should be coming up right after this. But yeah, definitely check that out to see how I exactly installed this wig, how I styled it on my head, everything. But I am gonna show y'all me styling it on the wig head right now, just curling it. Because when it comes to me, I'd rather curl my hair, my wigs on the wig stand. It just makes everything easier. Your arms are not hurting from holding them over your head and all this other extra shit. So now to start off, I am doing larger pieces because I do not want the curls to be as tight, but I do want there to be like a sort of wave to it. And when you see me styling this in the next video on my head, you're gonna see that they were like pretty tight. So if you want looser curls, do bigger portions, and just let them fall. You know, they're gonna fall after a day after you keep brushing it and stuff like that. So I always say kind of start off tight, You know what I'm saying? But with bigger portions, and then like they'll fall into the exact curl pattern that you want, or wave. So yeah, I'm done styling this side, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Yes, because I was bodying that like, what? yeah, so the next video will show you how I did my makeup and I installed the wig and everything. And like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.